guys, welcome to One Kitchen. I'm Julia. Another pasta dish here in the channel. I love pasta. So yeah, today I have a delicious pasta with a meat sauce. It's going to be a really creamy meat sauce with some ricotta cheese in, some cream cheese in, and some parmesan cheese. It is going to be a really cheesy meat sauce and just so delicious. So let's get started. I'm just going to boil some pasta on the side. You can use whatever pasta you want to use. I'm just using rigatoni today because that is what I have in my kitchen. But just follow your package and boil until the pasta is done. While the pasta is boiling, we can make the meat sauce. In a pan, I'm going to add in some extra virgin olive oil. Then remove some chopped garlic, minced beef, pepper, salt, and just stir it all well together and just fry until the meat is done. Then add in some dry basil, passata, ricotta cheese, cream cheese, parmesan cheese, last but not least, in with all my pasta, and then this dish is ready to be served. I like to serve mine with some freshly chopped basil on top. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe for a quick, easy dinner. Just this delicious creamy meat sauce and pasta. It is so good. All the ingredients are down below as always if you want to give it a go. Don't forget to subscribe here so don't miss out on any videos in the future. Bye!